Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amethyst and stainless steel hoop earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is wire wrap our amethyst. So I've got a 22 gauge stainless steel wire here, and I'm just going to string my amethyst through there. And I'm going to leave one side a little bit shorter and the other side a little bit longer. So I'm going to bend both of these up so that they crisscross right at the top of the teardrop. And sometimes I feel like you get these little bubbles on the side where they're not as close as you would like them to be. And you can just take a pair of pliers and go in there and just push it down where you want it to be. I don't know if you could see that or not, but I'm just going in there and pushing things down so that they're a little bit closer to the teardrop. So now that I have them crisscrossed, I'm going to take the longer one and I'm going to bend that one up. I'm going to put my pliers right at the top of the point, and then I'm going to bend that up so it's like that. And then I'm going to take the shorter one, and I'm just gonna hold this right here. I'm gonna just hold it in place with my fingers so it doesn't move. And then I'm going to just bend it around and make a coil. And about 3 times I think is pretty good. And then I'm gonna take my cutters and just snip that off. Then you wanna make sure that everything's lining up right. Got a little wire I want a little bit closer, so I'm gonna go in there and fix that. And then I'm gonna put my pliers at the top, and I'm gonna bend it away from me at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm gonna go back in there at the top, and I'm gonna coil it back around. And you wanna go, when you're creating your loop, you wanna go a little bit further down on your pliers and create a little bit of a larger loop with this one because it's got to go over the hoop and slide nicely. So I'm going to test this out and see if it's, yeah, that's the perfect size. And then I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to hold my pliers on the loop. I can get a grip on it. And then I'm going to take my wire and coil it back around. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And then your bead's attached. And you just open it up, put it on, and close it back up. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. And we also have the hoops in a 18 karat gold stainless as well, if silver is not your thing. So all the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great weekend.